Ever found yourself in that dreaded situation where the toilet paper roll spins empty? It's inconvenient and uncomfortable. Fear not, because the solution to never run out of toilet paper is simpler than you might think. Step 1, make a habit of regular inventory checks. This ensures you're always stocked up. Why not make it a fun Sunday routine? Remember, an empty shelf can be prevented with a simple weekly check. Step 2, buy your toilet paper in bulk. It's a smart move that's cost-effective and guarantees a long-lasting supply. Bulk buying not only saves money, but also ensures you're well stocked for a good amount of time. Step 3, always keep an extra roll within arm's reach. It's your immediate backup, your safety net when the current roll inevitably runs out. This way, even if you run out, you're never truly out. So, to escape the empty roll dilemma, remember these key steps. Conduct regular inventory checks, buy in bulk, and keep an extra roll at the ready. By following this guide, you can prevent the toilet paper shortage. With these steps in mind, you'll never face the empty roll nightmare again.